Hello, this is Deb with from Flourish. I was just sitting on my couch in my living room, putting these two baskets or boxes together. So I thought I'd do a quick video on how I got them done. These ball jars, they have a plastic lid. They also have a bamboo lid and a metal straw. I got them at the bin store for $3. There were 4 of them. It also had 2 cleaners. I don't understand why it only had 2 cleaners, but it had 2 straw cleaners, 8 lids, 4 cups. I also took an empty small box that I have and I wrapped socks around it. And it's going to be a men's gift. One is fries, one is cookies. This one's ramen. This one's ramen. And also cookies. So I'm just going to leave it very simple. I'm going to stand it on its end and put a bow on it. So stay tuned. I did put a piece of packing tape around it so it won't move. I am also going to shrink wrap it, and I haven't decided if I was going to put some shred at the bottom or not, but I probably will. I did use the white bag that the straws came in. I cut the bag in half and just, oops, doesn't want to sit down in there. I'll get it down in there a little better. But I took the bag that the straws came in, these straws came in, I cut it in half, and then I just pushed it in the bottom of the end. So when I am going to put some shred. So when I put the shred, there won't be a hole in the end. Okay, so I took a piece of cellophane and just wrapped it all the way around, like 360. Then I secured it on this side. You can see the two pieces of tape. One's from the inside, one's from the outside. Then I turned it to the bottom, and I did the gift wrap method and made sure it was flat, because if it's not flat, it won't sit up. And you can see this one stands freely. And when I come back, I'll have it with the bow. I want to make sure, because this is like at an angle, I want to make sure when I put the cellophane on it that I pull it towards the back. So I'll be right back. And this is the finished look. As you can see, they do stand up by themselves, even though the shape of the container is slanted. I just tried to make sure everything was weighted in the correct way. So these are 2 other items. They're really sort of unisex. I'm going to put a sign on there that says fries and cookies. You can sort of see it though. And this one is cookies and ramen. They're men's socks in a ball jar, and it's got a gold container, so I went with the gold bowl. Thanks for watching. Thanks so very, very much for watching. Have a great day. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.